Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're getting a little weird. We're doing two different colored eyeshadows, and yes, I'm using my favorite P. Louise base, you already know. Yeah, here in this video I had been so bored of makeup that I just wanted to do something colorful but like different, and I used to do two colored eyes all the time. So I'm going to be using my Melt Cosmetics Impulsive palette, and we're going to be doing an orange and a purple. One orange, one purple eye. And this video was recorded before I changed my setup, so it's still the glitter background, but I needed to get this video out there because she's a cute look, okay? So I'm using a burnt orange from the Impulsive palette, and I'm doing the orange eye first. This look is really easy, guys, but it's super dramatic because it's just a little funky, and I love it. I'm going in with my Casket palette now. It's the Bewitched palette, and I'm using this neon kind of bright orange, and I'm just blending out that burnt orange. And I just used these two colors for this eyeshadow look, you guys. I just really layered, really blended until I was satisfied with how it looked. For the other eye, I'm going back in with my P. Louise base, of course, and then I'm going to be doing the purple eye over here. I'm using the Fade into Hue palette from Colourpop. This is, I believe, a palette that everyone should have. It is a really great rainbow palette. It's got pastels and it's got deeper shades and some glitters and some shimmers. It is an amazing palette. I very highly recommend it. But I'm using the very dark kind of bluish purple to put in my crease, and then going back into the Bewitched palette from Casket and using the purple and also the lilac in the Colourpop palette and really fading out that dark purple. Did I say fading out? I meant blending out. Oops. I'm using my tried and true Anastasia liquid liner, and she's just doing a cat eye. A big, giant, huge cat eye. I start out by starting at the very outer corner of my eye and going straight out and up just a little bit, and then I look down into my mirror and create a straight line from my lid to the tip of the line that I first created, and I just make sure that it is completely straight. That way when I look normal and I'm looking straight ahead, I'll have a nice little cat eye. I'm using these two gels from Colourpop. These are from the Hocus Pocus collection, and I wanted a little glitter because, let's face it, I can't live without glitter. I've tried, and I have an addiction to glitter because I can't do it. So I'm using both of these glitter gels. I love these because you don't need to have any adhesive for it. Adhesive's already in the gel, so you just pop it right on. I'm using it on my liner because I liked the matte look, but just like a little pop of some glitter there. I was really obsessed with that. I was, you know when you start feeling yourself because you start making faces in the mirrors and like dancing and stuff. That was me. I'm using these two Colourpop cream gel liners. I believe this purple one is called, oh, you know what? I don't know. Sorry, guys. It'll be down in the description box. I'm so sorry. I try to remember stuff, but it's so hard to remember names of things. When you use so many different products, it just gets lost somewhere in my brain in a file. You know that episode of SpongeBob where like there's a bunch of little SpongeBobs running around in SpongeBob's brain, and there's like file cabinets and stuff, and they're like running around. There's paper flying all over the place. That is my brain, like most of the time. So yeah, some files are lost. I don't know what to tell ya. I used this lime greenish yellow from the Casket Bewitched palette, popped it in my inner corner, did my inner corner eyeliner, and then grabbed my Colourpop Seismic Super Shock Cheek Highlight, my favorite. I love this highlight so much. It's so blinding. It's so beautiful. It goes with any look. I'm obsessed. Pop that all over my face. This brush is from Sigma. It's the Lash Fan brush as well. I'm going in with some Hell Bites Beauty Lashes. This is the style Enchantress. I love Hell Bites Beauty Lashes. You guys have to go check them out if you have not already. I put on some earrings, did my hair, put some lip liner on. I'm going in with this Hell Bites Beauty liquid lipstick. I believe this is the shade Corpse. How cute is that? That's an adorable name. It's just a nude. But yes, ma'am, looking cute. These earrings are from Witchwood bags as well. They're so cute. But thank you guys for watching so much. I hope you enjoyed this funky tutorial. I'm just in need of new colors and new things to do, so hope you liked it. I'll catch you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.